The worst mistake a new business can make. Abid Alarkin lives in Wisconsin and did what many people want to do. He started his own business in 2023. He left his employer SafeLife, where he was a team lead. He had worked for them for about 10 years. When he left, he followed in the footsteps of the guys who started SafeLife. Entrepreneurs Bud Glassman and Art Lankin started SafeLife in Wichita, Kansas in 1947. I'll continue the story in a second. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I do weekly videos on intellectual property to help business owners understand this complicated area of the law. Bud and Art's business has grown from its start in a junkyard. It's now the nation's largest supplier of automotive glass replacement and repair solutions. Abid wasn't only following them as an entrepreneur, starting his own business, but also starting an automotive glass repair and replacement business. Nothing wrong with that. And he seemed to be doing just fine, until he got an invitation to a lawsuit. What did Abid do wrong? He decided to call his business SafeLite. Not SafeLight, but SafeLife. He changed the T to an F. He also used the same red and black colors that SafeLight uses. Well, you can guess who wasn't too happy about that. SafeLight sued SafeLight and Abid Alarkin in Illinois federal court for trademark infringement, unfair competition, trademark dilution, violations of the Anti-Cyber-Squatting Consumer Protection Act, and the Illinois Uniform Deceptive Trade Practices Act. All of these relate to Abid's use of SafeLight as his trademark. This is the worst mistake a business can make, and it's easily avoided. You only need to pick a name that won't get you sued. You do this by having your potential names searched to see if they might infringe the rights of others. If they will, then pick a new name. You don't want your business derailed by a massive lawsuit that wastes time and money. I've added links below to a couple of my articles. One is how to choose the best trademark, and the other is how to do a trademark search to help you identify what marks might be good for you. I always advise clients against choosing a name that could lead to litigation. If you get sued, you lose, even if you win. How can that be? Well, the best you can do is continue using the trademark, but you've already spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to win that lawsuit. That money could have been better used in promoting your business under a different trademark. If you lose, you'll have to change your name and still pay your legal fees. Additionally, you may also have to pay damages to the trademark owner. They can be awarded your profits, their actual damages, and their attorney fees. So the upside isn't that great, and the downside is pure hell. SafeLight isn't a company you should challenge if you don't have to. In this case, they're the 800-pound gorilla. It reminds me of Jim Croce's song lyrics. You don't tug on Superman's cape. You don't spit into the wind. You don't pull the mask off that old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with, well, you know who in this case. When you're starting a business, get a clearance opinion on the name you want to use. Abid could have avoided a lot of difficulties if he had sought out better advice. In addition to the articles below, I've also provided links to my intellectual property guide and checklist and my book, Invisible Assets: How to Maximize the Hidden Value in Your Business. Both are great resources for better understanding intellectual property, the IP that you might have in your business, and for avoiding IP litigation. Click on the links below for your complimentary copies. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you. Bye now.